Hey there! Welcome to this data entry tutorial. In this video, I'll be giving you an overview of data entry, why it's important, and best practices for effective data entry. So, let's get started. Data entry is the process of inputting data into a computer system or electronic device. There are two types of data entry methods: manual data entry and automatic data entry. The accuracy of data entry is crucial, as errors can have severe implications for the quality of data and its analysis. Why is data entry important? Well, accurate data entry ensures that data is reliable and of high quality. Data quality is critical in decision-making processes, as it determines the reliability and validity of database conclusions. Effective data entry also ensures that data is correctly labeled, which makes it easier to find, retrieve, and analyze. It also ensures that data is consistent and uniform, enabling different users to interpret the data in the same way. Now let's talk about some best practices for effective data entry. Organizing data. Before beginning the data entry process, it is essential to organize the data. This includes identifying the data that needs to be entered, its source, and its format. Data should be organized logically to ensure easy retrieval and analysis. Data formatting. Data should be formatted correctly to ensure accuracy and consistency. Formatting includes using standard units of measurement, uniform date formats, and consistent use of capitalization and punctuation. Data validation. Data validation is the process of ensuring that data is accurate and complete. It involves checking data for errors and inconsistencies and correcting any errors found. This can be done manually or through automated tools. Data entry standards. It is essential to have standardized data entry practices. Standardized practices ensure that data is entered uniformly and consistently, making it easier to compare and analyze. Effective data entry requires specific skills and techniques to ensure accurate and efficient data entry. Keyboarding skills. Keyboarding skills are essential for effective data entry. This involves using the keyboard to input data into a computer system. Touch typing techniques. Touch typing involves using the keyboard without looking at the keys. Touch typing speeds up data entry and reduces errors. 10-finger typing. 10-finger typing involves using all 10 fingers to type on the keyboard. This technique increases typing speed and accuracy. Data entry software. Data entry software can simplify the data entry process. Some software applications include optical character recognition, OCR, and voice recognition software. Now let's talk about some additional best practices for effective data entry. Data security. Data security is critical when entering sensitive data. Data should be protected from unauthorized access, and data entry professionals should use secure passwords and encrypted data storage. Data backup and recovery. Data backup and recovery procedures should be in place to ensure that data is not lost in the event of a system failure or data breach. Data entry speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy are essential for effective data entry. Data entry professionals should aim to enter data quickly and accurately to avoid errors and ensure that data is correctly inputted into the system. Data entry quality control. Quality control procedures should be in place to ensure that data is accurately inputted into the system. Data entry professionals should check data for errors and inconsistencies and correct any errors found. So, in conclusion, data entry is an essential function of data management. By following best practices, such as organizing data, formatting data, validating data, adhering to data entry standards, using effective data entry techniques, and implementing data security, backup and recovery, speed and accuracy, and quality control, data entry professionals can ensure that data is accurately and efficiently inputted into the system. Accurate and reliable data entry is crucial for data analysis and decision-making. The accuracy of data entry determines the quality and reliability of database conclusions. Effective data entry ensures that data is correctly labeled and consistent, making it easier to retrieve and analyze. Thanks for watching this data entry tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials on data management.